हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक। हमारा क्यू कार्ड सीरीज़ में नेक्स्ट क्यू कार्ड है डिस्क्राइब अ प्रैक्टिकल स्किल यू लर्न। गाइस, प्रैक्टिकल स्किल कुछ भी हो सकती है। ड्राइंग, डांसिंग, खाना बनाना, ड्राइविंग, मतलब कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो प्रैक्टिकली आपने सीखी हो, राइट। मतलब जिसमें थ्योरी इन्वॉल्व ना हो। ओके, सो मैंने यहाँ पे ड्राइविंग लिया है ताकि आप सब कनेक्ट कर सको। आप प्लीज़ अपनी वर्डिंग में ये क्यू कार्ड प्रिपेयर कीजिएगा और मुझे मेरी ईमेल आईडी पे भेजिएगा, सो दैट आई कैन हेल्प यू टू understand that what can be done better. So let's see. I'll show you a sample of 8.5 bands, so then you can understand that what need to be done. Okay, so let's see. In my country, buying car is not that big problem, but driving that car is. I know it sounds a bit odd, doesn't it? Well, if it does, then the reason for this it is extremely difficult to obtain license, as it involves rigorous road test. So when I finally managed to pass driving test, I felt over the moon. So what happened was, few years back when I completed my second year of graduation and I had some free time, so at that point of time I decided to learn a new skill, and that skill is driving car. So I went to the local car driving school and started to take driving license. Initially, the license involved learning about different parts of the car and their functions, and then came the actual driving lessons on the road by understanding and following different road signs and driving rules. Needless to say, the lessons followed some stringent driving standards which wouldn't always easy to maintain, but that was actually the real test in order to help future driver to understand the safety and security of taking the car on the roads. Anyway, the classes had continued for approximately 2 months, and then finally I took the driving license test and I obtained driving license. Actually, I am glad that I had driving license or finally learned driving, because it made me confident and independent. Finally, learning how to drive was also allowed me to transport many bulky items in my car, which otherwise would have been really inconvenient for me to carry in public transport. Okay guys, so this was my version. इसमें हमने 2 words use किए हैं, which is one is rigorous and second one is stringent. रिग्रेस मीन्स कोई चीज़ जो आप बहुत केयरफुल तरीके से करते हो, ठीक है, एक्सट्रीमली केयरफुल. एंड स्ट्रिंजेंट मीन्स वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस. ओके सो गाइज, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, एंड प्लीज़ बिफोर गोइंग प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, और प्लीज़ मुझे अपने क्यू कार्ड्स भेजिएगा. मेरी ईमेल आईडी स्क्रीन पर दिख रही है आपको. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.